New look and name, same trusted original formula results that will restore your natural color. Just for Men Shampoo-In Color, dark brown, is hair coloring that restores your original hair color by targeting gray hair for a natural look unlike other dyes. Always natural looking results. This patented gray target technology formula blends with your original hair color for professional results. Up to 3 applications per box, great for large areas of gray or touch-ups. Choose from 15 different shades ranging from sandy blonde to jet black. When in doubt or unsure of which to choose, always go with the lighter shade. Includes keratin, olive oil and vitamin E but no ammonia for stronger, healthier looking hair. Long-lasting, will not wash out. Lasts up to 8 weeks until the gray grows back. We know every man is different, so our hair coloring product is here when those gray hairs begin to grow back. Fast easy, pour color base into applicator bottle. Shake apply. Works in 5 easy minutes. Follow all instructions on the enclosed leaflet. Perform a skin allergy test 48 hours before use, and always use the gloves provided to avoid staining. Fast and easy shampoo-in color for a natural gray-free look. Just for Men Shampoo-In Color covers your grays completely, permanently and effectively. It targets only the gray hair and preserves subtle variations of your natural hair color. This easy-to-apply hair color only takes 5 minutes to restore your original color, and lasts until the gray grows back. Just for Men Shampoo-In Color contains keratin, olive oil, vitamin E to support strong and fuller, healthier-looking hair. The results are 100% natural looking. Its ammonia-free formula causes no damage to your hair, while giving you professional-looking results. Can't decide between 2 shades? Try the lighter one first. You can always go darker later. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent hair dye for men. This is an excellent permanent hair dye for men. It is difficult to find in stores recently.